Yeah. Yeah. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Please come. First of all, we wish on behalf of Bharat Dynamics Limited, everybody a very good health in this pandemic situation. And this situation has been a very, very challenging situation for all of us. It is a totally a new, unplanned, unenvisaged situation that has come before us and put all of us uh, in search of answers to the new problems coming up on a daily basis.
Can you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, I'm Biplab Sinha. I'm Deputy General Manager HR.
Okay, thank you.
Our team consists of, we have Mr. Vikram, he is also Deputy General Manager HR, and Mr. Siddhi Ramlu is Manager HR, and will be joining, our General Manager will also be joining shortly.
Okay.
So,
You have just 15 minutes to make the presentation. So
sure.
please organize that.
Yeah. So sure, sir. We'll complete our presentation within that time.
Thank you.
So, yeah. So this situation called for the sustenance of business as well as the sustenance of the employees together, because one is dependent upon another. Unless the business keeps going, we cannot take care of the employees, and unless the employees are there, there is no business. So this was really a very challenging situation. However, we made quite a we were not caught off guard, and we had planned a lot. So before I proceed further, let me introduce our General Manager, Mr. Rafi.
Good morning.
Hello.
Good morning. Good morning.
Nice to see you, sir. New normal life.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. So we at the beginning of the situation, there was a total closure of the business, and some restrictions coming from the administration and the government as well. So to prevent the spread of this COVID-19, several measures were taken. May I put the presentation?
Sure.
That option is there to share the screen.
Yes.
It's available in the bottom. Share screen in a green color.
Share karo, it is in the desktop.
Yes.
Yes. The slides show color. उसमें आना ना. ये तो लास्ट में चला. First, go to the first slide. First slide. आना ना, connect करना ना. It's taken. Connected there. Yeah. Click कर. Yes.
Yes, it will come. Now it is. Yes, we can see yours.
Can we see
Yes, yes, yes.
Are you able to see the presentation, please?
Yes, yes, we can see it.
You can start.
Yeah. Before my colleague will make a presentation to you, I like to say a few words about our company. Bharat Dynamics Limited is a defense public sector undertaking under Ministry of Defense. We manufacture missiles and underwater weapons for the armed services. And this is a strategic company for the government of India, and we support the armed services in protection of the nation. And this COVID scenario has brought us new challenges to us, new employee concerns for us. And all these things is a challenge for us, and it is a new subject for every one of us. And BDL, with a proactive approach, proactive concern for the overall scenario, has taken up several steps, and we can influence the minds of the people. Yes, management is there. We are comfortable. We have created such a working environment where employees, each and every employee of the company feels comfortable, and there is no basically at the end of all these initiatives, there is no everything is positive reaction from the employees. They are
Please
comfortable.
slide. You are not
Comment,
using.
comment work for the company. Now I request Viplasan to continue with the presentation, please.
Yeah. So with that backdrop, let me proceed further without taking further time. The time given to us is 15 minutes. So various measures taken to keep the business going from the beginning. To start with, first we had dispensed with the biometric system. We had dispensed with the biometric attendance system. That was basically the primary requirement to avoid the touching surfaces by multiple employees. Then we started an awareness program on precautionary measures through announcements, through displaying posters and banners on the do's and don'ts for the spread of coronavirus. We sanitized thoroughly the workplace, sanitized the vehicles, conducted this thermal screening, sanitization at entry point. Then once the lockdown was lifted, and the work process started, then we started taking the medical declaration from all employees during the lockdown. If anybody came in touch with the corona affected people, they're visiting their journey history. We also created sensitization through audio and video. We created video films and shared with all employees. Then after the medical declaration, we made this Arogya Setu app made by the government compulsory. We ensured that social distancing is maintained at all places. Then, along with the directives of government, we allowed these employees with comorbidities, pregnant women, to work from home. That was basically a very challenging task, because ours being a manufacturing sector, it was difficult to identify, to foresee to this work from home situation. And luckily, we had very few cases from the workshop area who had comorbidities, and so all to whom we could allow to work from home in say support areas like HR, finance, and several other IT and planning areas, we allowed work from home. And the other steps taken were where we put restriction on traveling, tours, training. There is still that restriction is on. Then we have a township where around 5,000 residents are there, and within that several religious places are there. Those were closed and again subsequently reopened with ensuring social distancing. Then the company vehicles through which our employees commute to work, those were to be rerouted, and then additional vehicles put for ensuring social distancing. The shopkeepers in the township, they were advised to put on mask and gloves. Those are the basic requirements. Then we had quarantined employees traveling from other states. We also distributed cloth masks to all employees. Uh, then from the company side, we ensured that everybody had the basic requirements like oximeter, thermometer, BP apparatus, face shield to measure them, to monitor their health on daily basis. So the company gave some this financial assistance for procuring those items. Then in the work procedure, in the working procedure also, we brought in several modifications. Earlier there were these physical files for approval of files. We changed it to e-office, where all approvals are taken are taken online, and approval is the total process is online now. Then the meetings are minimized, and only meetings are held through video conferencing through virtual medium. Then the visits between offices, units, those are reduced. In the workplace also, the lunch break, that is, it is staggered. Shift timings are staggered so that the crowding at entry and exit points or any particular place in the canteen, it is minimized and controlled.
Sir, please conclude in 2 minutes, sir.
Yeah, sure. So then, apart from that, several steps have been taken for ensuring the well-being of the employees. Ensuring the well-being of the employees, we created isolation rooms for the suspected cases. Then we conducted this test, COVID test, through government recognized agencies, and we also tied up with reputed hospitals for ensuring treatment. Then we conducted sanitization of all buildings thoroughly if somebody is affected in spite of all these things. Then we also had this COVID response team across all the units, so that if somebody is affected, apart from the physical well-being, your mental well-being is also taken care of. The psychological aspects, the stress, the fear, those are being also catered to. So this has provided a great help in ensuring that all our employees are highly motivated. I mean, nobody is scared now to come to office or duty, and we are able to continue with our business as much as we are ensuring the health of the employees. However, apart from that, several challenges are there because the COVID situation is continuing, and we are preparing for that. The basic challenges are with upskilling and reskilling of the employees. So the training part of employees is still in hold, and apart from online trainings, webinars, the physical trainings are on hold now. So that is taking place in a restricted manner. And as I told, for the motivation, maintaining motivation of employees, that is also a great task. And then preserving of human resource for maintaining the continuity of work, because this situation, it affects everybody, right from the shop floor worker to the directors. So so all it has put into a situation that the health has to be protected first, so that the continuity of business is maintained, and we are working towards it by ensuring and taking all preventive measures. Hope yeah. Then apart from all these things, we had also made significant activities beyond the organization. We went into this development and production of ventilators, and we are waiting for government orders now. And then we started productionizing these alcohol-based sanitizers, which are being used inside in our factory at all places. Then apart from this taking care of the employees, there was a situation where we thought there is a need to take care of the migrant labor as a part of social responsibility. So during lockdown period, when the migrant laborers were left homeless with no food, we started providing meals to them on a continuous basis. That continued for a long time throughout the lockdown period. And,
Please
we-
conclude soon, sir.
we
It's
also
over
contributed
15 minutes already.
to the PM CARES fund heavily, and then for the construction of the COVID hospital at New Delhi. So thank you very much, sir, with all this. Thank you.
Thank you for your presentation. Please let me know. Sorry, let me know how many workers you have.
Yeah, we have 2,400 workers and 800 officers.
Okay, and how many of them are affected?
As of now,
Positive,
Yeah.
yeah. In spite of your all these measures, no preventive
yes,
measures.
yes. So employees infected, it is as on date, it is 207.
207.
Very
Yeah.
high number.
This includes everyone.
That includes executive and workers, everybody. So infected, it is very high, but still the recovered is also, most of them have recovered. And right now the active cases are only 42, and hospitalization is for 4 only, and rest 38 are home quarantined. So
Okay.
now active cases are 42, rest all others recovered.
See,
Then back to work now.
whatever steps you have indicated,
Yes,
these are, I feel, normal steps which any organization will take to protect its employees. This
okay.
this 4,000 you are giving to your staff or BP oximeter, that is something good. But how many of them are working from home now?
Right now there's no requirement for work from home, and all the units are working as per their normal working hours with full strength. And if there is requirement, that is being taken care of for work from home. But right now there is no requirement.
No required. Okay, thank you.
What's the impact on your productivity during this period?
Yeah, first quarter, yes, there is a total impact and we could not do anything. Now, end of the second quarter, yes, 100% employees are attending and now picking up. And backlogs are being getting clear, and we are back on the track and meeting the production deadlines.
So as on date, you are on 100% capacity?
Yeah, we are on 100% capacity at that time.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.